Everyone. So in this video, we are going to implement nested navigation in Flutter. So we are going to use GoRouter. So we will add the dependency in PubSpec. Let's go there and add go underscore router. We will pick up the latest dependency and save it. After that, we have to create a GoRouter instance. So we can create a new file. Let's call it app router.dart. There we have to create a GoRouter variable. Let's call it app router equal to go router. For the routes, as of now, I'm giving it empty. Now we have to assign this variable to our material app. So instead of material app, we are going to use the factory constructor dot router. And in that, we don't support home. So we are going to use router config and provide our app router. Okay. Now our main page thing is done. As of now, you can see in the simulator that we got page not found error because we haven't set up our routes yet. So let's create our container page, which will contain the bottom navigation bar and everything. So let's call it homepage.dart. I'm using stateless widget, but you can use anything you want. Here we are going to pass scaffold, and in there we have to use bottom navigation bar. And in the item, we have to use bottom navigation bar item. For the icon, I'm going to create three tabs, uh, dashboard, search, and profile. So let's create it. Okay, now for nested navigation, we have to use shell route, and I'm going to use stateful shell route dot index tag. Okay, and in the branches, we can provide a branch, stateful shell branch, and under that, we can provide the route. So for every tab, we have to create a branch. So we are having three tab here. So we are going to create three branches. Okay. Now under the routes, you can give the path. I'm going to give a base path as slash. And in the builder, we have to provide a page. So let's create a dummy page. Let's name it dummy page only. Dummy underscore page dot start. I'm creating a stateless one. You can create whatever you want. Dummy page. So we are going to take a title so we can see on which page we are. And let's just display it as of now. So we will use text and we can say title. Let's align it center. Okay, our dummy page is ready. Now we have to provide this dummy page to this route. So here we are going to say dashboard one. Okay. Now we have I'm going to duplicate this branch two more time for search and profile. So we can say search and profile. So search profile. Okay. Now this is partially done because we haven't utilized our home page anywhere. So let's give it here. We are going to use the builder and provide it home page. Okay. We can import it and save it. Let's do a restart. Okay. We should see our dashboard one page here, but we aren't because our home page doesn't know where to show the page. So we have to pass our shell to our home page. So let's do that. Uh, let's create a final variable. And let's do this dot shell. Let's import it from the correct place, which is GoRouter.dart. And for the body, we can do like provide the shell directly. Let's do a restart as our parameter has been changed. So we can see dashboard 1 here. Now we can't change tab, so we have to configure bottom navigation bar. So let's do on tab first. So we can say shell dot go branch, and there we can provide the index. Okay. We can also use a shorthand, something like this, which also work. And we have to provide current index, like the active index or of our tab. Now, if I save it, so our creation, like bottom navigation bar and our pages are linked. Now we have to check for nested navigation. So we can close this home page and let's go to dummy page. Here we have to add one more thing. Let's call it route. Okay, because this page should know where it has to go next, right? Now I will just add a simple check. If route not equal to null, then show me a button, elevated button. Let's call it text and say next page. And on press, we can do something like context dot push, and we can give the route. And we have to add this into our parameter. Now, so we have a branch here. In that, we can add multiple route. As of now, we have only one route. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to duplicate it two more times. Let's say the second one as dashboard 2 and third one is dashboard 3. Here we have to distinguish the path also. So I'm going to say it as dashboard 2 and dashboard 3. Now dashboard 1 should be able to route to dashboard 2 and dashboard 2 should be able to route to dashboard 3. Now let's save it and give it a quick restart. Now we can see our button. If I do next page, we can see the dashboard 2 page. If I do OK, it is working fine. And if I change the tab and come back, we are still seeing our dashboard 3 page, which is nice. And if we go back, we can see dashboard 2 and everything. So that's it for this video. And I hope you like this video. Please subscribe so you can enjoy more of this content.